Hi guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, definitely subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Also, take a look at some of our previous videos so you are all caught up with everything that we have been talking about over the past few weeks and months. But in today's video, I wanted to do a video to show how you can effectively and beautifully decorate with wood, especially in terms of a wood accent wall. Don't forget to check the description box for a hand-curated list of items that you can purchase for your home if you love this look. Accent walls are a wonderful way to add eye-catching dimension to your space, as well as showcase key notes and objects of personal significance. If you're not so sure about picking up a paintbrush or implementing something that may seem to appear out of character, why not opt for the natural uniqueness and striking appeal of the wooden accent wall? A wooden accent wall, divider, or behind the bed headboard piece creates a richness of texture and depth and is surprisingly simple to install. Whether you're looking for a cabin in the woods feel with rugged edges and less symmetrical lines, or a trendy Pacific vibe a la stained and stripped surfaces, there are dozens of finely worked wooden options to choose from. Even darkly stained russets and mahoganies provide an accessible but also sumptuous allure to your abode. Polished or palette style, your wooden accent wall is a bespoke extension of your most poignant taste and sensibilities. Not to mention, it looks so good. A fabulous curved accent wall like the one showing now brings with it loads of intrigue and a touch of 3D beauty that just brings the room alive. The wavy strips of wood that hold both the television and the shelves around it seem like a work of modern art as they elevate the style quotient of the dashing apartment in Columbia featured here. A wooden wall achieves what paint and wallpaper are honestly seldom able to do. That is, create a setting apart from the greater scheme, ultimately achieving a standalone work of interior art. Easily constructed and providing years of splendor, these wood wall ideas will grow with your home and throughout your own Renaissance periods. Like you, the wooden accent wall will only get better with time. I just wanted to take a quick moment to say, don't forget to comment down below your favorite rooms so far. The next room coming up is one of my favorites. It's basically just wood tiles with lighting behind it. You don't even need much decoration for this room because the wall is your decoration. One of the things that I love most about wood is that it's just as versatile as we are. This room is super feminine and soft, but yet this room is very masculine, both done with wood, just different style designs. I didn't know that I needed a wooden herringbone wall until now. Another thing that I love about some of these designs are how easy they are to create. Take this one for example. You can literally go to Lowe's or Home Depot and get some of the wooden skewers in different sizes, attach it to your wall, and you're done. All you need is a creative artistic eye and a good level. So I have shown you all a ton of examples. Do you think a wooden accent wall is in your home's future? Why or why not? Definitely comment down below and let me know. I know it's not everyone's design style. When we think of wooden walls, we automatically go to a more rustic or sometimes even Scandinavian home design type, but this shows you that you can use a good wooden accent wall in so many design types and styles, so definitely comment down below and let me know. So as always, I asked you to comment your favorite usage of a wood accent wall down in the comment section so I am aware, and if you want to know mine, it's this beautiful bedroom right here. I love the different textures and layers of the wood. I love how dark and moody and relaxing this is. I feel like this is the type of room you go to and you automatically know it's nighttime. It's time to go to sleep. This room is beautiful. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with all of your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss an upload. As always, I will see you in tomorrow's video. You guys stay safe and stylish. Bye-bye.